There are 5 things that are essential to a healthy father and son relationship. Here's the first one. Time together. Just time together. Experiences that build lifelong positive memories. Time together puts son's soul that steadies him for life. I mean, it's stuff like just taking a walk together, climbing a mountain together. Just me and Dad. That's what your son is thinking. And Dad. And you know what else he's thinking? He's thinking, he didn't just love me, he really liked me.
So we're here live at the Seahawks versus 49ers game, September, I believe it's the 16th, 2013. We're here with my guy Emmanuel. We're having a great time. It is my son's very first game. There's Emmanuel. What's going on, buddy?
This is my first game.
It's your first game?
And I'm having fun.
You having a good time?
Mm-hmm.
What's your favorite part?
My favorite part though is coming out.
They were coming out? What'd you say?
I said Seahawks.
Yeah, go Seahawks. Yeah. Well, thanks for bringing you to the game.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
I love you.
I love you too, man. Baby, it's a great game. It's gonna be a good game down to the finish. So we're hoping our Seahawks takes over. Anything else to say, man?
Thank you, Seahawks. I love you.
Ha ha! Holla at your boy, Sonny Sale, Emmanuel. New Focus. Peace.
Experiences that build lifelong positive memories.
Ain't no kill me,